What's going on, people? Just wanted a quick update. Here with my boy.
What's up?
We're actually working on his car, and it was pretty bad. I got to clean up, you know, I guess what I could reach with the drill, and I was able to clean all this up. And it was really nice. Cleaned off all the neck surface on the block. I pumped out all of the coolant so that way there's no interference with, you know, the mating surface and foreign materials and shit like that. We got the heads cleaned up. Surfaces are clean. They're ready for installation here in a second. Oh, I gotta hit that with some solvent. Been using some of this stuff here. Lacquer thinner. It was in the fucking hair was in the caught in my phone case and shit was all tripping out on the camera. But yeah, that's what I was using to clean up all this shit right here. And my wire brush. I'm also gonna use this time I'm gonna use some of this copper. Spray a gasket, high temp sealant. I'm just gonna spray both sides, back and front, head gasket, and then we'll go ahead and mate them up. Right now, I'll go ahead and get back to this head installation, and we'll get back with you. Yeah? So we got the heads torqued down, 2-spec, 75 pounds torque. We do, I do 40.
How many
so
torque was it? How many pounds of torque?
75.
75. All right.
So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the torque sequence. Start from the middle, and go out. So I do 40 and then 75. For the final torque spec on these bolts with these heads. Right now we're actually reinstalling the push rods and the rocker arms. We're gonna set it all back up and torque them down to spec as well. So when we're done with that, we'll come back right now and show you. The homeboy is setting up his film. His camera, so he can YouTube that shit up as well.
The details.
So we'll come back at you right now whenever we got this shit back up. All right, so right now we're starting the working. Oh, the light fell.
Our spotlight.
The spotlight fell. Oh no. And just kind of kindly face that way. So these have to be torqued down to 25 foot-pounds, but there is I guess a torque rate ratio. Right there. No. That was it.
Okay.
Did you feel it? You didn't feel it?
It didn't click. No.
It's supposed to go boom. Look, watch. Go to the next one. You can feel this. You gotta feel for this. It's
but it didn't do it though.
Yeah, it lets go, but it probably
Like,
sometimes it don't pop.
You can feel that.
but sometimes they don't pop.
Okay.
So you gotta be careful with the brush. You see? Right there. You see that? Look, pull.
It was this.
No, pull. You see? You feel that?
It was
Feel that?
that.
That's
right
the brake that you gotta feel for.
there? Okay.
When it's a lot more
Okay.
when it's a lot more torque, then it'll pop harder.
Okay.
But when it's light torque, then it don't pop as hard, but it lets go. Right there, right there. No, that's it.
Alright.
Don't go too hard and too fast. You can't. You're gonna stop. Let me see. Okay, right there. Look, stop. Go slow right there. See?
Okay. So I'm gonna loosen the other ones. Just to,
Yeah, cause you could have broke some shit.
yeah.
Hold on. You gotta go slow. Look, go slow. Right there. That's it. You see that?
Yeah.
But you're going too fast, you don't feel it. Because
Yeah.
you're pulling too hard and you're giving so much torque. So, steady wins the race.
Yeah. Yeah. Right there.
Right there. Yeah. So, we're doing the 18 first, and then afterwards we're gonna hit it with the 25. So that's what we're doing right now. We got the rockers and the push rods and everything back in.
The
heads are
proper
torqued
way.
down, the proper way.
Yeah.
I'm teaching him the proper way. This is my student at the moment. So he's learning, and we'll get it done. What's going on, y'all? We got the car in the garage with my baby over there. It's raining outside, so we pulled the car in, got the lights on, so we can go ahead and finish this install. Oh, we just hit his head. But last night we stayed up kind of late, just hanging out and getting it done. But turning out nice. We torqued everything down. We're gonna go ahead and put the valve covers on and the intake manifold. We're gonna try to figure out a way. There's some holes back here that we got on the back of the head. If you can see them. Right here. We gotta cover them holes up with a bolt or something that goes there. It's pretty much the same deal on this side, except for this one has got a tap in it. See that? So this would normally be open, like on the back. It's got a tube, a crossover pipe for the EGR, like EGR crossover, and that goes on the back of the head. Alright, so it would be bolted up just like this, and this end right here would go to the actual smoke pump, you know, the little filters, which is right here. So this is pretty much now all junk. It wasn't even running on, it wasn't even connected. This was connected, but the smoke pump wasn't functioning. The belt was bypassed. So we're gonna figure out a way to plug those up, and we'll get back with y'all in a minute. Quick tip for those of you running the stock heads and they are eliminating the EGR crossover tube that's in the back of these heads. You want to stick a spark plug in there, or anything that has a 14 by 1.25 coarse thread, or pretty much that size bolt. But these work just fine. Got some Chevy power over here on this one. That AC Delco going on. We got the Motorcraft on this side, and we're just getting them wrenched in and 5/8, of course, like if you were gonna do a spark plug change. Anyways, that was just a quick tip on how to plug up the holes in the back of the heads for the EGR. Quick update. We got most of everything connected already. We just gotta torque down the bolts on the intake. We gotta put the cap back on the rotor. Hook up the spark plug wires, ignition coil. Put the fan back on there, know what I'm saying? Throw the belt back on there. We took the spark pump off.
Put all the pulleys back on.
That bitch was locked up.
Put all the pulleys back on.
That bitch was locked up. It won't let me out already. It's done for. I don't know. But so we're getting this done, man. Remember,
You see it running
don't
pretty
use
soon.
RTV on your fucking head gaskets, putos. That shit don't make no sense. Alright, y'all. We'll come back at y'all in a little bit. Alright, so
Yeah.
we got it all together. We got the homie here.
Let's go.
We got the homie here, the owner, Jesse. We're gonna try to get this started, so let's see what she do. Alright, brother.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's see what it is, man. Hey, make sure you prime it a couple times
Alright.
before you go
Yeah,
ahead.
because that has the gas.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright.
No. Pull the key back. Go forward. Come back. Go forward. Come back. Go forward. Alright, try it. Try it out.
Get this shit here, man.
You already know it, man. We gotta redo the timing.
Yeah, the timing. There's the timing.
Got the bottom ticket.
Timing.
Got the bottom ticket here. That's not good.
There's the timing.
I don't know why that's. Oh.
That's that radiator.
Ooh.
That radiator is no good.
Man. Why is it going backwards?
That's what I'm telling
I'll
you.
figure out right now, man.
The belt.
I'll figure this out right now.
remember I need the gasket?
Which gasket?
The gasket for the shredder?
Yeah. So we gotta take. You want to take it back out?
So put the gasket on the shredder.
Yeah. Y'all know what time it is, man. Easy, dog. We're letting it break in. I'm about to remess with the timing right now.
Turn off the header.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be smoking off the header. Sure. Running.
Hey, it's not blowing white smoke though.
Yeah. One little rough. You can see.
You gotta put the water pump on the thermostat gasket.
Yeah. It's running a little rough right now. We gotta mess with the timing or something. Something's off. So we gotta mess with it. Check engine lights off, so we gotta check that. Gotta make sure everything's right. But for the most part,
Running straight?
we got it back up and running.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing. So we're gonna keep tweaking on her, make sure that she's running okay. So right now,